Hello everybody and welcome to Zara's Story Block. I'm Zara Ariana Mannan and today I'm going to be reading Billie B. Brown, The Baby Bird, written and illustrated by Sally Ribbon. Chapter 1. Billie B. Brown has 5 cushions, 1 blanket, and 3 books to read. Can you guess what the B in Billie B. Brown stands for? Bird. Today, Billie is pretending to be a bird. She has built a nest out of cushions. Doesn't it look great? No one will bother her here, but someone peeks in. Can you guess who? So there's Billie with her 5 cushions, 3 books to read, and 1 blanket. Oh no! It's Billie's baby brother, Noah. Mom! Billie yells. Can you take Noah? I'm busy. Her mom calls back. Can't he play with you for a bit? Oh no! Look what Noah has done. Dad! Billie yells. Noah's wrecking my nest. Billie's dad comes over, picks up Noah, and is only trying to help, but Billie, he says, he's still learning. He's not helping, Billie huffs. He wrecks everything. That's because he's little, her dad explains. You have to be patient with him. I don't want to be patient, Billie says. I just want some peace and quiet for a change. Billie's dad smiles. All right, why don't you go outside? Noah can come help me in the kitchen. Billie runs into the garden. She finds a spot under the tree. No one will bother her there. She lies on her tummy and looks at the pictures in her book. Just then, a noise from behind the tree. Just then, Billie hears a noise from behind the tree. Billie closes her book and sits up to listen. The noise comes again. Beep, beep, beep. Billie tiptoes the tree and gasps. There's a baby bird in the dust. It's a little baby bird. There's Billie looking so surprised, and here's the bird chirping. What is it? Says Jack. Shh, it's a secret, Billie says. She grabs his hand and they ran to the fence and climbed through the hole to Billie's backyard. They arrive at the tree. The bird is still there. Look, Billie says. Isn't it adorable? The bird blinks up at them. Suddenly, it flaps its wings up and down very fast. Flap, flap, flap. Ah, it's trying to fly, Billie says in laughter. She squats down to peer at the bird. Jack looks worried. Mom says you should leave wild animals alone, he says. Billie snorts. It's not a wild animal, she says. It's just a teeny tiny bird. I think we're scaring it, Jack says. Look how fast its heart is going. The little bird chest goes up and down. It flaps its wing again very fast, but it stays on the ground. It just plucked out from trying to fly, Billie says. She's annoyed that Jack isn't excited as she is. He's spoiling all the fun. She looks up at the tree and around them, and anyway, it's the mom has gone. Someone needs to look after it. Jack chooses Jack chews his finger nervously. I don't know, he says. Come on, Jack. It'll be like your very own secret pet. Billie pleads. It will be fun. Well, all right, he says slowly. Hooray! Billie says quickly, before he can change his mind. Wait here! I know what he needs. Billie runs back to her house. Her dad is rolling up pastry on the kitchen table. Baby Noah is helping him make biscuits. When Noah sees Billie, he squeals happily. Billie looks in the fridge and finds a plate of cold sausages. She slips 2 of them in her pocket. What are you looking for, Billie? Her dad asks. Nothing, Billie says, running outside. She hears Noah crying. She feels a bit bad for not saying hello to him. Billie arrives at the tree. How is it doing? She asks Jack. She's puffing because she ran too fast. Jack looks more worried than ever. Not good, Billie, he says. It's just sitting there. It has to be moved since we found it. Probably it's hungry, she says. She pulls out the cold sausages and breaks some of the sausage and puts it in front of the bird. The bird blinks up at them but doesn't eat the sausage. Billie feels her heart flap again like a bird. Why won't it eat the food she gave it? It must be hungry. Now she's starting to feel worried too. Chapter 3. I really think we should leave it alone, Jack says. Billie ignores him. Don't worry, she says. I know what it needs. She runs back to the house. Noah and Dad are washing dishes. Noah is splashing water everywhere. When he sees Billie, he shouts, Bee, 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 bee. Sorry, Noah, Billie says. I'm busy right now. She grabs a bowl out of the cupboard and fills it with water. Excuse me. Where are you going with that bowl, Billie? Her dad asks. Nowhere, Billie calls. She runs back. She is careful not to spill the water. She can hear Noah crying again. Billie feels bad for leaving him twice now, but she has a baby bird to look after. She crouches down next to Jack. She puts the bowl of water near the little bird. It opens its eyes, but then it closes them again. Jack's bottom lip sticks out. He looks like he might cry. He stands up and begins to run back to his house. Billie knows he feels scared. She is scared for the little bird too. She doesn't want to leave it alone. So she also went with her best friend. She didn't want her best friend to be upset. Wait, Billie says, running after Jack. She grabs his arm and squeezes through the hole in the fence. Please don't be upset, Jack, she says. It will be okay. Jack turns around and nods. Then all of a sudden he starts to smile. Then a smile turns into a laugh. Billie is so confused. What are you laughing at? She asked. She turns around to see Jack is looking at Big Bird swoops down from the tree towards the baby bird. Excuse me. Okay. Then another swoops down too. Billie and Jack hide behind the bush to watch. From where they sit, they can see everything. The first mama bird pecks a bit of sausage and hoops it over the baby bird. Then she pops some sausage open. She pops some sausage into its open beak. The baby bird squawks hungrily. Its beak opens wide to gulp down the sausage. Look how greedy it is, Jack giggles. They must have been there the whole time, Billie whispers. They are waiting for us to go so they could look after their baby. Oh, look, Jack says. The baby bird flaps its wings. It's trying to fly again. They watch the baby bird flip-flap its wings. It finally lifts up in the air, and it lands on the branch of a tree. Billie and Jack cheer. You were right, Billie, You were right, Billie says. Sometimes it is the best to leave wild animals alone. Come on. She takes Jack's hands. I've got something to show you. Chapter 4. A little bit later, Jack and Billie are in her nest playing Mama, Bird and Papa Bird. Cheep, cheep, Billie says. Cheep, cheep, Jack says. Bee, bee. Noah comes a noise from outside their tree. Oh no! Do you know? Dad yells. Noah is going to wreck our game. Noah crawls under the table into their nest. Bee, bee, he says happily. Billie's dad pops his head under the blanket, but Noah puts his arms around Billie's neck and holds her tight. Bee, bee, Noah says. He looks up at Billie with his brown eyes. Oh, so cute, says Jack. He sounds like a baby bird. Billie realizes Jack is right. Noah does sound like a baby bird. Come here, Noah, Billie's dad says. You can help me in the garden. But Billie smiles. That's okay, she tells her dad. He can stay. Are you sure? Billie's dad asks. Billie nods. We can't play Mama Bird and Papa Bird without a baby, can we, Jack? Jack smiles. It's much easier to look after than a real bird, Billie whispers. He whispers to Billie. Billie giggles. There's a picture of Billie hugging her baby Noah, and Noah saying his thingy again, bee, bee. Well, that's very kind of you both, says Billie's dad. He walks off to finish tidying the kitchen. Billie looks at her baby brother. Noah looks up at Billie. Then they slip cold sausages out of her pocket and break some for half. Noah gulps it down one mouthful, just like the baby bird would. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story that I just read for you. And if you want to listen to more of my stories, like and subscribe to Zara's Story Blog. Bye!